A cease and desist order has been issued to a company that's been doing COVID testing since late September. State health officials say the company partnered with the city to do testing at several locations across Oahu and the Big Island. Nikki Schenfeld has more.
According to the state, Embry Health was collecting COVID specimens without a license, permit, or written approval. The company came to Hawaii in late September during the peak of the Delta surge. KHON2 interviewed the president of the company on September 19th when they set up a free COVID-19 testing site at Kahala Mall.
The Parks and Rec department, they're looking at letting us set up drive-through sites at the parks, just really getting to the community where they need the testing. And the goal is to expand this, not just in one location, but having multiple locations across the island.
At that time, the DOH says the company was operating as a collecting depot without a clinical lab certificate or written permission from the state health department. The city did approve permits for them to operate testing sites at several parks across Oahu. The city and state both said that City and County of Honolulu permits require applicants to comply with state and federal rules. However, Embry Health continued adding more locations without proper certification. The city said in a statement testing was in great need, and it's disappointing Embry did not follow through on its end of the permit and comply with DOH regulations. Health officials say they had virtual meetings with Embry Health in early October. The cease and desist states they wanted to inform Embry of the requirements to operate a collecting depot in Hawaii and to encourage the rapid cooperation so they could continue to serve the public.
And then, quite out of the blue, they sent us an email saying that they wanted to withdraw their application as a collecting depot. So it took us a bit by surprise. And as a result of them halting the process, we had to take this enforcement action.
The state says Embry Health was offering COVID-19 testing up to today and conducted about 4,200 tests since late September. The state has told the company to pay $207,000 in fines. Embry Health said in an email they vow to work with local government to ensure testing can resume as quickly as possible. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.